Divide 527 by 2 in a long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 2 and it is 12. 2 times 6 means 12. On subtracting we get 7. So again we put down this 7 and 2 times 3 means 6. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 527 divided by 2 is 263.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.